Hey, what's up guys, it's One For You here, and today I'm coming at you with a telekinesis practice video. Um, I've been practicing telekinesis for quite a while, but this is my first couple of sessions that I try to record. As you can see, at first it's not really going not very optimally, but I'm getting some movement. And you can see there's some connection with the paper as well. I kind of set the paper there as a control check, like if you put in too much wind or anything, then the paper will fall and the toilet roll won't move. After a while, I'm getting some movement here and here. This is just a little practice part in between. That was some success. I'm just trying to put energy into the object. This is some long range telekinesis. Well, long range for me, it was long range without too much hand movement to really eliminate the factor of wind. So these three moves are kind of displaying that. And then this one is really good, I believe. Yeah. And here you can see some movement on the lens as well. It actually was going really well. I think I put in too many clips too quickly after one another here. But as you can see, there were some successful moves. This one was really good. Yeah, I should definitely make my recordings a little bit more spaced out, but this is just practice. I'm expecting to really make some progress. As you can see, I can put in some character into an object from range now. Definitely lighter objects. Oh, this is also with the lens. As you can see, the lens is reacting here very directly to my motion, to my energy. Okay, here I got a really good move on the toilet roll, like long range without any direct motion towards the object. Here a little bit more motion. It's definitely hard to get started, but once you get started, you start seeing results. You can easily do these kind of things, like roll a toilet roll. That's gonna be really easy after a little bit of practice. In this, I try to kind of not fully make it stop, but kind of make it halt and try to push it further. Same as here. Try to push it from range. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching. And if you want to know more about telekinesis, please let me know. I'll leave some links in the description to the people on YouTube that I follow that do telekinesis and taught me how to get started. So that will help you out getting started. They have a lot more content to watch, and well, they're a lot more experienced. So I suggest you go check them out. Trevor7, TK Torch, and there are actually two, Guide of Limitless Truth, and the other guy is called XYZ Abilities. I'll leave links to all of them in the description. Go check them out. I really want to spread this ability over the world. I think it's great, and I'll keep practicing, I'll keep uploading, and hopefully you guys want to follow me along.